Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by ensuring the camera firmware and phone have the latest updates. This avoids connection errors. Connect physically with USB-C or pair using Bluetooth, and make sure battery is above 50% so the process won't halt. Once linked, open the Creator's app and accept camera, microphone, and storage permissions. This gives the app control to record and transfer. You're now ready to choose resolution: 1080p for fast editing, 4K for high-quality footage, so select what matches your workflow. You now configure capture details. Select manual if you want fine control, or auto to offload decisions. Adjust shutter speed and ISO to balance exposure, and set white balance so colors stay accurate. This matters for grading later. Make sure microphone input is routed correctly and monitor audio levels to avoid clipping. Once done, enable image stabilization and pick a bitrate that balances file size versus quality. Preview a short clip to confirm framing and audio, then save to internal storage or You finish by doing quick edits, trim clips, apply a LUT for consistent color, and choose an export preset like 1080p 16:9 for social or 4K for archival. Use wireless transfer when speed is needed, but switch to USB-C for reliable large file moves. This reduces corruption risk. Once exported, verify the file plays cleanly. If something goes wrong, restart both devices, toggle the connection method, and repair. Also check firmware versions. Mismatches are the most common cause of failure.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.